Asubuhi ya leo tumepokea hoja kutoka kwa wananchi ambayo inataka kaunti ya Meru ipeanwe kwa Meru Metropolitan Services. Na tutaenda kwa wananchi kwa sababu gavana yeye ameenda sasa kufanya kazi ya kukusanya signatures, afanyie wananchi kazi tena. Sasa sisi tunataka kuunga ile hoja mkono, sahihi zikusanywe tupelekee rais. Gavana akikusanya sahihi zake na commission maalum kuundwa kukuja kuangalia masuala ya Meru, commission ile Meru Metropolitan Service iweze kuendeleza kazi ya Meru. Gavana na yeye aendeleze maneno ya kukusanya sahihi za kumpeleka nyumbani.
Fortunately, the governor decided to take a different route. She decided that the best route to take is to dissolve the county government, of which we are not afraid. If that is what it will take for Meru to be saved, if that is what it will take for the Merians to get the services that they really require, so be it. We are ready to go down that road. But before we go down that road, we are requesting the government through the presidency that today we are in receipt of a petition from members of the public in Meru requesting that let there be a Meru Metropolitan Services or a caretaker body that will take care of the services, or one that will render services to the members of the Meru County.
Na sisi hatuna uoga wowote wa kwenda kwa debe. Wananchi ni wale waliotuchagua na watatuchagua tena. Na wanaelewa ya kwamba ni mtu mmoja tu amejitoa, hawezi fanya kazi na mtu yeyote.
We want to say and categorically state this, that if and only if the governor is willing to pursue peace, and peace that will come from the bottom of her heart, not saying sorry on cameras and the next day starting a signature or an initiative to collect signatures to dissolve the county without even sitting down with the same people she was telling sorry on the camera. We need people to be genuine to themselves, to God that they pray, and even to the citizenry that elected them.